Where are we at?
So we're near Raplee Ridge, Utah, which isn't too far from
Pretty.
Monument Valley, yeah. And then we found a little, a nice sized strip of BLM land, and we thought we'd take a look. Mostly for pictures though, right?
Yeah, I was trying to get some drone pictures of Raplee Ridge. Maybe we can get a few in here. What did you find?
Great. I wasn't expecting to find anything, but came over to this little hill and I started seeing stems. Especially, check this one out, right here.
Coming. I'm just letting everybody have a chance to find. I think there's a couple of stems in here you might be able to see for sure. I think that one right there. And I think they might be roots. It might be a root system, right?
Yeah, there you go.
Yep. Whether it's stems or roots, I don't have the ability to tell. That looks like a larger root, probably, right?
And look at the colors. It's so green.
You might be saying, I don't know for sure yet. But why don't we look at the one that kind of convinced you?
Okay, this is the one that clued me in to what I was finding here.
You gonna spray it?
Sure.
Let me back up a little bit.
Wow. The green really shows up pretty good.
That's really cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and you picked up a couple other.
You're the winner chicken dinner today.
I think so.
Hey, we got a couple of guests with us today.
Tag along.
They're hanging out, having fun.
James.
Oh no! We're headed to Muley Point to look out over Monument Valley out that direction, and like I said, or like Steph said, just found a little spot. You picked up a couple.
Okay,
there's more little.
Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Again, I think
Over
these
there.
might be a root system going through muds or going through.
That sounds.
Yeah, I think this is more, maybe more likely. So petrified roots.
Well, that's part of a tree, so I'm not worried about it.
Disagreeing.
Yeah.
I'm not disagreeing.
Look at all these beautiful.
I hate to be
look at this little
disagreeable
stem.
today. Maybe tomorrow.
Look at that.
And those are just really cool, aren't they?
Let's get in nice and close.
How about if I just get
Ooh,
closer?
there you go. Very cool.
I think got another guest here. Fellow rock fiend, rock hounder. That looks like a root as well, Steph.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And that does too.
Oh, it's all over.
And there's a couple over there. I'll just leave this here for a moment. And I'm interested to see, this is very silicified, isn't it? It's like, I think the texture or the pattern on this is going to be really cool. So
Definitely.
yeah, I think it's maybe too soft to do much with, but we're going to try, obviously. Steph will try.
Yeah.
What do you got over here? Anything exciting to show off?
No.
No? Okay. Just those.
Just little pieces.
Sure think that's interesting where it's got that.
I don't know if that's petrified wood in petrified wood or petrified wood or something. I don't have a clue what it is. The whole thing looks like petrified wood.
Yeah, the whole thing looks like a stem, but that little inclusion. Some of the stems are really interesting because they have like a hole in the middle almost. Yeah, right there. Some of the little roots. I keep saying stems, but I think they are roots. So.
Well, it was a surprise find, and I love the colors, especially the really green.
The really green
colors. Some of them are
Brigham's tea.
Yeah.
Or the really green sticker bushes. So here's another question. I don't know that this is part of a root. But that part right there in the center strikes me as root-like.
Yeah.
So so does that little kind of area right there. So I don't know. It could be. Remember south of Kemmerer where we found the petrified ferns?
Yes.
So perhaps it could be something like that where it's plant material that lays down.
Could be. I mean, it's clearly organic. Oh,
yeah,
look, here's another good stem or root, whatever it is.
Those look so cool.
Isn't that neat?
Mm-hmm.
Goes all the way through. It's just all through here.
Yep. So here's the question. We don't really have an in situ piece in the yard. Do we try and break that out, or is that mission impossible?
I think we can get that one. I don't think we can get the one in the road.
Sounded like a challenge.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can do. So I'm just saying, not difficult at all. Yeah, there's a stem in it. It's pretty cool. You can see the stem that goes through. It looks like what happened is the stems, when they dried out, created an area of weakness in the sand. And when they did, that was filled in with this green stuff, which transferred to was eventually leached into the biological material. So stems coming out here, stems there, stems all through this. And the monster stem right here. Root, I'm sorry, I'm saying it wrong and I'm in the shadow too. And so root right there too. So these roots were down in a sand of some sort. Goes all the way through, stems all over in it. The question is, Senor Dad, I'm not winded, this was easy by the way. It was easy. It's easier than that chunk we hauled out from, oh, never mind. So the question is, do you want that as a yard rock? That's pretty cool. Steph doesn't want it.
Grandma said she thought it was pretty big, but it seems to me like it'd be pretty nice.
Will you look at that? Huh. I guess that's a yes.